Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Whether I'm in the mood for this size hoop or a smaller one or a middle size or even larger, I have this great set from CERSLIMO. This is a beautiful set of sterling silver earring hoops that really go with any look that I want. This gorgeous set of 4 pairs of silver hoop earrings ranges from 30 millimeters to 60 millimeters. So I really can get all of the options that I'm looking for when it comes to hoop earrings. Depending on what type of outfit that I'm wearing, sometimes I like to go with a smaller hoop. And then if I want to feel a little bit more fun and flirty, I'll go with a larger size. These earrings are super lightweight. They are very easy to put on. I don't feel like they weigh down my ears at all. And because they're the sterling silver, they absolutely cause no irritation for me personally. So whatever option that I am looking for, all I have to do is take them out of the handy little bag that it came with. I have every option that I need when it comes to my sterling silver hoops, and that's my point of view.